All right, starting off lesson 9.2b, arithmetic sequences and partial sums. The sum of a finite arithmetic sequence, we have this formula here. All right, so all you have to do is take the number of terms, which is n, and then divide that by 2, and multiply that by the sum of the first term times whatever the last term is to that sequence, whatever n is. So find the sum. So how many terms do I have here? I have 7 altogether. So there's 7 terms. So it's 7 over 2. The first term is 40. The last term, which is a sub 7, is 22. So I have 7 halves times 62, which is 217. And that's all there is to it. Done. Find the sum of the given integers. All right, so how many terms do we have here? 1 to 35. That's 35 terms. So I have 35 over 2. The first term is 1. The last term is 35. So I have 35 over 2 times 36. So I get 630. That's my 35th term. Done. Here I have 57 terms. So same deal as before. 57. So 57 over 2 times 1 plus 57. So I have 57 over 2 times 58. And I get 29. 57 times 29 is 1653. All right, 57 terms. Done. And for the last example, find the 50th partial sum of the arithmetic sequence. All right, so there's going to be 50 terms. So I have 50 over 2. And then the first term is negative 6. All right, here's the big question. How do you figure out what the last term is? That's where this formula comes into play. All right, from the last lesson. So I need to figure out what the 50th term is. The first term is negative 6. N is 50. And D is, I don't know. What is D? Well, all I have to do is go over here, because I know it's an arithmetic sequence, and just say negative 2 minus negative 6. That gives me negative 2 plus 6, which is 4. That's my D. That's my common difference. So my D is 4. All right, if I work all that out, I end up with a sub 50 equals 190. All right, so it's going to be plus 190 here. And I'm going to simplify all that now, and I get 50 over 2 times 184, and this all works out to be 4,600. That's all there is to it. Done. Begin the assignment on the bottom of the web page.